having failed to capture Ukraine's capital, Kyiv, where this weekend Ukrainians were inspecting the remains of the very Russian vehicles that tried to invade their city, now objects of curiosity. And after being driven back from Ukraine's second largest city, Kharkiv, Russian troops now have their sights trained on the Donbas, Ukraine's eastern coal mining region close to Russia's border. And out here, the Russians are making slow, destructive progress, lobbing unguided rockets and artillery into Ukrainian villages to chip away territory from the government. Russian forces have the center of Donbas surrounded on three sides and are driving toward the city of Kramatorsk. In Kramatorsk is one of the Donbas's only trauma hospitals that's still working. All of the women in this recovery room were wounded by Russian artillery and survived that split second between whistle and bang.
What happened to you? How did you end up here in the hospital?
I just left my house when I heard something flying, says Anna. I had just grabbed the doorknob to my basement. That's the last thing I remember. In a nearby bed, Vera, 95 years old, was in her bedroom. Relatives were cooking outside. Suddenly there was an explosion, she says. I felt a blow to my head and the windows and door in the bedroom flew off. But reaching the towns and villages around Kramatorsk to evacuate refugees and wounded is increasingly a challenge.
This is as far as we've been able to advance for now. Ukrainian security forces won't let us push further toward that village, and it's obvious why. You can hear intense exchanges of artillery fire between Ukrainian troops and Russian forces. And it's been going on like this all morning.
Amid the exchanges of fire, 2 Russian jets dropping flares for defense scream by at low altitude. The fighting is too intense for evacuations today.
And today, for the first time in this conflict, a Russian soldier was convicted and sentenced for a war crime. He had pleaded guilty to killing a Ukrainian civilian outside of Kyiv, and he is to serve life in prison. Savannah?
Richard Engel in Ukraine for us. Richard, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.